Here's how to find block numbers on your iPhone. There's essentially 3 different places to find block numbers: the phone app, the messages app, and the FaceTime app. And you access all those areas through the settings app. So let's go there. Tap on settings to open it. Scroll down to the very bottom where it says apps. Tap on apps. Then let's start with the one at the very top. Do it alphabetically. Tap on F to go to the F section of apps, and then tap on FaceTime. Scroll down to the very bottom. You'll see a blocked contacts right there. Tap on that. I have 13 on this phone. You can add more by clicking on that plus button. You can unblock these by swiping left and tapping unblock. You can also block them through the FaceTime app, the messages app, and the phone app by just tapping and holding on the number and then choosing block. So that's FaceTime. Let's tap on M and go to all the apps, start with M, and tap on messages. Not notifications though. In the messages app, scroll all the way down. Actually, not all the way, about halfway down. And we see an option here called block contacts. Tap on that. We see 13 unknown here. These are the same numbers, but it's just another place to find them. You have all the same options to manage these here as well. And then the third place and last place you can look is the phone app. So let's go to the P section. There's the phone app there. Tap on that. Scroll down to the very bottom. Tap on block contacts. 13 unknown. You can manage them all the same way here. Hopefully this is what you needed from this video. If it was, tap like and subscribe to let me know, and then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to add any song as the ringtone on your iPhone. Super cool video. I'll see you there.